God damn. Wait, this bitch trying to turn up. Yes. Hey. Oh my God, here at the mall. Here with my country squad. Yes. See that? Oh my God. Look, here at San Antonio Riverwalk. Yeah. Look at this. Here at the courtyard at the mall. Here chilling with the pigeon. We got our drinks. Yes. We got drinks. We got the pigeons. Hey, look at this. God damn. Racha, ira, con las chelas, yes, con la barrocha. We were here at San Antonio, yes. We were having Look at this, what a gorgeous day here at San Antonio Riverwalk, yes. Look, we got the boats, we got the ducks chilling on the water, and we got the gays over here. These bitches is bouncing around, yeah. Oh my God, so refreshing here, yes. And the way to go, yes. Tell me about it. So gorgeous here. Oh, and best part, you're allowed to drink, yes. Yes, here with the weirdos. Oh my God, what's over here? I've never seen this before. Look, there's the church over here. Yes, here with George. Yes. Oh my God.
Right next to the church,
Yes.
I love it.
Yes. Look at this. We have little tons of water. We have these people with a chill on the hand, as you can see. We're here at the church.
On the way to church,
On the way to the church, yes, guys. Look, we have the priest out here. Un montón de güeyes, pinches alcohólicos, no se puede esperar. Them alcoholics, yeah. Yes, here at the church, yeah. Hey, we got the priest over here, yes. Dude, very well behaved. Look, you're right here praying, yes. They're such alcoholics. They're in a church right now. Yes. You know, look at him. He's begging for days. Enjoy my cunty $1 glasses. Here with a cello, kind of hidden. Here exploring. Yes.
I know.
Yes. Here with my drunky friends. Yes. Look at these ducks. No fucks given. Guys, all pumped up. Beer margaritas to go, as y'all can see. Yes. Montón de pinches alcohólicos. Yes. That's the way to do it. Look. The Riverwalk vibes here. Yes. Motherfucking ray of sunshine, as you can see. Yes. Yeah. I didn't even know there was sand here at the Riverwalk. Yes. Look at this. Love this trail. Look. Yeah. Oh my God, there's sand here. Yeah. That's new. Hey, and there's boat ride. Yeah.
What?
Having the
Getting caught in
smoke.
hoe action?
Yes, in hoe action. Look, we have the observation. This is the San Antonio Observation Tower. Yes. And we have that. What is it? The filter on Snapchat. Yes. How gorgeous it is today. We got Michelle being. Yes, here at the Raincoat Forest Cafe, as you can see, there's fish tanks. Yeah, look, whoa, they really changed this place up. Look at this, the big ass parrot right here. Yes. Look at this. Yeah. Yes, we clearly had a long night. Yes, guys. Hangover, already had a headache. Look at this place. Yeah. I know. Look at night. Well, good night, you guys. Had a blast here at the San Antonio Riverwalk. Yes.